You've been told your money grows in a savings account, but what if it's actually losing value? Today, we're about to challenge everything you thought you knew about saving money. We'll reveal 6 investment secrets that could dramatically change your financial future. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how not only to protect, but also increase your wealth, even when inflation hits hard. Stay tuned as we reveal these powerful strategies, one of which is so unconventional it might just blow your mind. Ever wonder why gold, silver, and platinum are called God's money? These metals are more than just shiny objects. They're a fortress against economic turmoil. Did you know that gold, once worth $400 per ounce, has now skyrocketed to over $2,000? But here's the real shocker. Experts predict it could soar to $10,000 by 2032. And for those who don't want to stash gold bars under their bed, there's an easier way to invest. Gold ETFs offer a convenient and quick way to invest in gold through stock trading platforms. Now let's talk about investing in what everything is made of. Next, let's talk about the unsung heroes of the tech world. Industrial commodities like cobalt, nickel, and copper. These aren't just metals, they're the building blocks of the future. With the electric vehicle revolution, their demand has exploded. Imagine doubling your investment in just a decade like Cobalt did. But how can you, an individual investor, tap into this gold mine? By investing in mining company stocks or mutual funds focused on these commodities. Now let's take a look at why the Swiss are so rich. Have you heard of safe haven currencies like the Swiss franc? These currencies are the superheroes when the world of finance is in chaos. But here's the twist. You don't need a Swiss bank account to benefit from them. There's a surprisingly accessible way to invest in these stable currencies. Currently, EFTs and Forex platforms offer a way to invest in these stable currencies with minimal capital. Now let's take a look at making money with the government. Think government bonds are boring? Think again. U.S. Treasury bills, notes, and bonds are actually secret weapons in savvy investing. They're low risk and often outperform savings accounts. But the real question is, how can you get involved without a hefty investment? We suggest speaking to a representative at your bank account to learn about the easiest ways for you to invest in these guarantees. However, if you want to get a better return on your investment, you'll want to take note of the next asset which is essential for financial success. Ready for a stock market secret? It's not all about high-risk tech stocks. Value stocks, especially in sectors like industrial metals, offer a safer bet. They provide steady demand and dividends. But how can you invest without becoming a Wall Street whiz? Dividend-focused mutual funds, such as the Vanguard High Dividend Yield Index Fund, provide a way to invest in these stocks without extensive individual research. Now it's time to look at the time-tested and proven asset which is a favorite among investors. Land and real estate, the classic wealth builders. The appreciation in value and the ability to rent out your investment makes real estate a proven winner among savvy investors. Real estate investments also allow for the use of leverage, meaning you can control a large asset with a relatively small amount of your own money, the down payment. But did you know that you don't need to be a millionaire to invest in them? There's a way for small investors to get a piece of this lucrative pie. And no, it's not just about buying a house. REITs, real estate investment trusts, offer a way for smaller investors to gain exposure to this market without the need for large capital outlays. Before we share the final asset, which is one of the most overlooked investments in the world, subscribe to our channel to learn how to supercharge your wealth this year. Think vintage cars, rare art, and luxury items. These aren't just for show, they're potential gold mines. This may be a more challenging market to enter and invest in, but if you're knowledgeable about a specific industry, this asset is not to be overlooked. But how can an average investor get in on this exclusive market? Platforms like Whatnot or Masterworks allow for a partial ownership or trading in smaller collectibles. Breaking free from the traditional savings account and exploring these 7 assets to invest your capital in can be a game changer for your financial health, especially in an inflationary economy. But remember, knowledge is power. Always do your research and consider seeking advice from a financial expert.